Crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts. Welcome to 1 in 10 by Jen, from mailbox to masterpiece, making a card in 10 minutes using scraps, number 135. Can you believe it? 135 of these videos. If you are addicted, like I am, to making cards and making them quick, or you just like to watch someone else do it because you're a slow crafter, this is the video for you. This is the series for you. Now, if you want to take that even further and you want to watch a whole series of ones where I do it in just 5 minutes, those are also located on this channel. Just check out my playlists on my main page. I am going to start today with Debbie Evans. She sent in an envelope full of stuff. I've got my card already prepped, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 A2 size card, and we are going to open up this envelope and see what we have to work with today. I think I'm going to even pull this washi tape off real gently. I might be able to use that. So Debbie, let's see what you sent in, girl. Oh my gosh, look at this fun stuff. Holy cow! This is so cool. Can you see that owl? Check that out. There's not a whole lot here. I think I can get this done in less than 10 minutes. Check this out. Such a pretty set of stuff in here, and that washi tape totally matches. Let's get started. I might have to play around with this just a little bit to see how I want this to go, because look at those birch trees. Maybe we want to make like a background for those. That is fabulous. Is that, like, if I put a darker background, I'll pull out some of my other colors I have here. Like maybe let's just try black just to see what the, oh, look at that. It'll make it look like it's kind of like nighttime. Look at that. That would be impressive. I almost don't have enough though with that little heart cut out of there. There, I could do that side. Alright, let's go ahead and cut that down. That's going to look so cool. Normally I don't add a lot to it, but if there's not a lot in there, basically my rule is I can use whatever I need to. If you've been around before, sometimes I do and sometimes I don't use extra stuff from my stash. But yeah, I'm going to cut that down a little bit because I've got room. I have a little room. Alright, so we have a little bit of a white border. I think that would look really cute. Bring out the little white flecks in there. Oh, that's super cool. These are really fun too. We might be able to get away with putting one of these on the inside as well. Also, she gave us little blue gems. Isn't that neat? So interesting. I love that. Okay, let's put this down. That looks cool. This one, what I'm going to do, you know what? I even could have went, you know, but I really like that texture. That's cool. I'm going to put this upside down in my garbage can and spray it with my adhesive, my wet adhesive, and then put it on so that I don't have to take my bottle and go on like every little piece of it. So my wet spray adhesive of choice is this Beacon multi-purpose adhesive spray. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. You can get it at the dollar store near you. Sometimes it gets a little bit stuck, so the very first spray was a little bit tough, but the ones after that look perfect. So I'm going to go ahead right away, and after I'm done, just wipe this nozzle off so there isn't any residue, and then put the cover back on. That way, hopefully, it will keep that fresh for the next time I use it. And get that out of the garbage so that I can put it on here now. Should be able to just pat it down. Look at that. Instant. Love it. And I love these as well, because we really want something to put that little owl on to make him pop. Because if I put him on here, yeah, he's just kind of, he's getting kind of lost there. And since we have a little bit of blue here, what if we did like maybe a piece of this to pop him on? and we put a little blue behind them. I'm going to go ahead and, let's see, since I know I'm going to have a little bit of extra time, let's see if I can put like a big, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece of this, the size of this largest one here. I always have a pencil handy right above me, and then I'm just going to go ahead and hand cut this. Aren't these just so fun? Guys, leave me a comment down below. If there's one that you've watched at some point that you just thought was the cat's meow, the bomb.com, whatever you want to call it. If you've watched a whole bunch of these and you were like, there was one that was just outstanding to you, I want to hear it in the comments below. Go ahead and let me know. And if you haven't watched any other ones, or you just can't think of them, let me know, what do you like best about this series? What makes you come back for looking at this series again and again, over and over? I'm going to see if I can find a blue that kind of matches that. I'm thinking this one is probably pretty darn close. We will start off with that. I'm going to put some extra color on here. Try to make everything cohesive. I need a piece of scrap paper, just so I don't get that, whatever I'm putting all over that, onto the back and the pieces of my card. We are adding blue. I'm going to leave a little bit of some of it not touched right in the middle. Doesn't that give a really cool look to that? And then when I pop him over the top, he should, look at that. That should pop out, make him pop out on that card a lot more. Cool. Let's save that piece in case I need to bring it out again. I have no sentiment for this card. I'm not very good at keeping sentiments. But this is from Debbie Evans, and I believe she sent in some sentiments, so I'm going to look and see what we have here. Just saying hello, happy birthday, get well soon. I like this thinking of you. The owl just seems like that kind of thing, you know? So that's probably going to go on the inside, but I love that. How do we want to incorporate this? Do we want to make that look like a... I don't know. I like that on the inside. I like that on the outside. Maybe we'll just use these on the inside. Maybe one of them just to make it look like it's a place to write your little sentiment, though. But this is super cool. Okay, so this one I can just put right down. And then the owl, since he's super intricate, I'm going to go ahead and spray him on the back side with my sprayer again, with my beacon glue. And that totally worked. So I'm going to do that again. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe that glue off the little nozzle there and put my cap back on. And then I can grab that owl. And he should be ready to go. Just going to put him right on here. Looks like I missed some of him. Did I not get him at all? Not enough. Not enough. I'm going to do it again. There we go. Don't forget to wipe off my nozzle, because I think that is what does it. I think I must have oversprayed him. There we go. Hold him down just for a second. Get him to stay down there. Perfect. He is so pretty. I love this washi. Can we put some of this washi on here? Will that look weird? It just doesn't want to stay. And we have these as well. These little pieces. got a little bit of a mess down there. I cleaned it up. Okay, thinking of you, this one's going to go on the inside. So let's go ahead and put this in there. And I'm just going to pop this guy in there because this looks really cool all by itself. Yeah, and put it right in the middle. And then the thinking of you, maybe right on the bottom. That looks cool. That will work. Oop, we are running out of time. Maybe I just want to put that right in the middle. I want to give a chance to, you know what, I'm going to put it right there. Give them a chance to write a little something on the inside. Okay, we put the washi on there. That would be so cute. Oh my gosh, the washi totally makes it. Totally. I love that. Ooh, and I made it just to the 10-minute mark. Check that out. That washi is just the perfect amount of color to put in there. And the outside with the owl and stuff, that is so cool. What a neat card. Debbie Evans, thank you so much for sending your stuff in. I appreciate it. I didn't get to using the little dots or this paper, but all of that will be saved for the end of the year at our crap in the new year that people just totally love. It's 4 hours of just pure hanging out with people, so you don't have to go out and drink and go to parties and stuff. It's just hanging out here with all of the crafty friends that you've met throughout the year on Facebook, our Facebook group, our community group, and it is drama and commitment free. It's a great place to hang out. You're not required to do anything. There's a lot of stuff going on, however, so if you want to join in and do the swaps, if you want to join in and do something, we're kind of holding back on the swaps right now, but those should be starting up again as soon as we're off the stay-at-home kind of thing. But we are still shipping. We are still open for business, qualitycrafts.com. So if you need supplies, if you're out of adhesives, or you want some of the new stuff coming in, please let us know. We would be happy to be your store of choice while we're safe at home and get you the things that you need to be socially distracted. That's like becoming the term, social distraction. We just want you to have joy and connection with our group and our friends and everything going on there so that you don't feel alone and floating around in space while we're staying at home. And go to qualitycrafts.com for all of the information about our groups and things. And if you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to Facebook message myself or my partner, Penny Jo Ratcliffe, because we can help you find the things that you can't figure out. We know that our community has expanded. It might be a little confusing to those of you coming in, and we would love to help you out with anything that we can. So don't forget that we do these videos every Monday and Wednesday now. And then every Friday, I will teach you how to do something. We'll do a fun technique or hang out and do an experiment of some sort called Free Play Friday. And I can't wait to see you then. And I can't wait to see you next video.